Are you a teacher or student dreaming of sharing your knowledge and earning income online? Get ready. YouTube is revolutionizing its monetization requirements in 2025, making it easier than ever to turn your passion into profit. This is a game changer for educators and learners alike. YouTube has significantly lowered the bar for creators to start earning. These updated requirements, effective from June 13th, 2023, open up incredible opportunities for aspiring channels. Let's dive into what's new and how it impacts you. The daunting 1,000 subscriber milestone is a thing of the past. Now, you only need 500 subscribers to begin monetizing your content. This change empowers new creators to earn revenue much sooner in their YouTube journey. Consistency is key on YouTube. To be eligible, you must have at least 3 valid public uploads within a 90-day period. This encourages regular content creation, keeping your audience engaged and your channel active. Engagement remains crucial for monetization. The previous 4,000 watch hours requirement has been reduced to 3,000 hours within the past year. Focus on creating compelling content that keeps viewers watching longer. YouTube Shorts offer a fantastic way to reach new audiences. To monetize through Shorts, you now need 3 million valid public Shorts views within 90 days, down from 10 million. This opens up short-form video as a powerful income stream. These lowered thresholds mean you can start earning from your educational content much earlier. This provides financial incentives and motivates you to produce high-quality, engaging videos. It's an exciting time to be a content creator on YouTube. Ready to start your own educational channel? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you succeed. These foundational steps are crucial for building a thriving presence. Select a topic you're passionate about and that resonates with an audience. Consider subjects like course tutorials, study tips, or specific academic fields. A focused niche helps attract dedicated viewers. Understand your target audience's needs and what content they seek. Explore online forums and use tools to identify popular questions and successful channels in your chosen area. This research informs your content strategy. Think about engaging formats for your educational content. How-to guides, Q&A sessions, product reviews, e.g. educational tools, or even animated whiteboard videos can be highly effective. Consider what best suits your teaching style. Beyond YouTube ads, explore affiliate programs for educational products or books. Consider brand partnerships with relevant companies or selling your own digital resources. Diversifying income streams is smart for long-term success. Create a roadmap for your videos, identifying related topics and keywords. Set clear goals, upload consistently, and repurpose your content across other platforms. A strong plan guides your channel's growth. Start with your smartphone camera and a good microphone for clear audio. Invest in basic lighting to improve video quality. Simple tools like video editing software are also essential for polished content. Create a Gmail account, then sign into YouTube to set up your channel. Customize it with a clear description, relevant links, and branding elements. A compelling channel trailer can attract new subscribers. Optimize your video with a clear, compelling title and an attractive thumbnail. Ensure your content follows YouTube's guidelines and is free of copyrighted material. Use YouTube Studio to upload and add all necessary details. Share your videos across social media, relevant online communities, and with your network. Utilize YouTube Shorts for organic promotion, creating short, engaging clips. Widen your reach to attract more viewers. Use YouTube Analytics to understand viewer behavior and content performance. Track metrics like watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention. This data helps you refine your strategy and improve future videos. Innovative tools like AI video generators can simplify content creation, especially for educators. They allow you to produce engaging videos without needing expensive equipment or even appearing on camera. AI tools can transform your ideas into visually stunning videos with minimal effort. Simply describe your concept, and the AI can generate scripts and select visuals from stock libraries. This streamlines your production process. These tools allow you to customize elements like script, voiceover, visuals, and background music. You can align video size, fonts, and colors to match your channel's branding. This ensures a consistent and professional look. AI-powered faceless video creation means you don't need cameras or elaborate setups. This is perfect if you prefer anonymity or lack the resources for traditional video production. Create captivating content while maintaining your privacy. AI tools help you consistently produce high-quality videos that meet YouTube's new requirements. Generate content efficiently to reach 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, and 3 uploads quickly. This accelerates your path to monetization. The new YouTube monetization requirements in 2025 offer an incredible opportunity for teachers and students. By understanding these changes and applying strategic steps, you can build a successful channel. Embrace these possibilities and start sharing your knowledge with the world. Ready to launch your educational YouTube channel and start earning? Subscribe to our channel for more tips. Hit the notification bell and share this video with fellow aspiring creators. Let's build a community of successful online educators together.